Greg, DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. I am attempting to make pizza on the Blackstone. Now, I say I'm attempting because I just did a bonehead move and basically burnt the bottom of one. So I ruined one. So now I get to start over. So I'm going to throw down some mushrooms that I had on the other one. And we're going to get those cooking up real quick. So yes, we are cooking on the Blackstone and cooking the pizza. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get all the veggies cooked up. Now, excuse me, all the toppings cooked up. Now, I've already got some of the toppings cooked up, and you see right here where I'm already cooking those. I've got some bacon. I've even got some asparagus I'm going to put on top of mine. And Greg, DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. Now, I'm making my second attempt today to make a pizza. I did a bonehead move the first time. When everything was said and done, I got ready to actually cut the pizza, and I set it right back down on the Blackstone. As soon as I did that, I knew I failed, and I actually burnt the bottom. It was already done beforehand. So what I do when I cook my pizzas on Blackstone is I go ahead and pre-cook up all the toppings. I'm talking about finishing pre-cooking up all the toppings. Let's get some pepperoni down. And then I put those off to the side. Then I'll go ahead and actually brown up the dough, the pizza dough. It's pre-made, pre-packaged. It's the boboli. And once I get it browned on the bottom to the doneness that I want or I like, I'll go ahead and take it off. And I've got a cookie cooling sheet right here that I'm going to go ahead and stick it on and put it back in here, and I'll put all the toppings on. Give it a little bit of steam, shut the lid, and let everything finish cooking up. Let the cheese melt down. And it comes out great on the Blackstone. Just, the part that I messed up was when I went to cut the pizza, I took it off the cookie sheet, and set it back down on the grill, and it was extremely hot, and instantaneously burnt the crust. So luckily I got two. I was going to make two separate pizzas, but now it's going to be a half and half pizza. So there is the mushrooms. Are almost done. I'm going to call them done, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them off. Now, take my boboli, I'll flip it over. I'm going to drizzle some on. I'm going to drizzle some onto there. Blackstone, and then I've got a brush here. Brush it around. Distribute it. You can see we're getting hot. Let's turn that down for a second. Down there, let that cook, and now we're going to cook it It's where we want it when we're done. Get a little bit of browning, a little bit of texture on the bottom. And at that point, we're going to go ahead and, like I said, put it on the cooling rack. And put the cooling rack back inside here. So it's starting to get a little bit of brown, looking good. Set it back down a little bit. I think I'm going to go ahead and drop just a little bit more oil down. Let it warm up a little bit, come across, spin it. That way it gets everything coated. Let it go for another minute. Okay, I'm actually going to call that good. Cooling rack right in the center. Put that down. Now I'm just using some store-bought pizza sauce. Put that on there. Let's get that. There we go. I've got cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack. And then I've got some mozzarella. Take your mushrooms, you stack it, you build it however you want. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do it half and half, so this is going to be on my half. Just like that. Bacon. Gotta have some bacon on it. Throw some olives down. I'll give my wife all the olives. She likes olives, and there we go. Next, let's throw down that pepperoni. Alright. Now that's a pizza. I've got the burners down on low. Now I'm going to take and put some water on it. Shut the lid real quick. We're going to let her steam out. While she's doing that, I'm going to run an errand. well, there is the second pizza. Look at the bottom of that. Can you see the bottom? I'll have to go slice it, show you. It's got a nice brown on the bottom. We got melted cheese. All the fixings are nice and done. It's a half and half. We even got us some mozzarella sticks that I did on there. I've got a little bit of clip on cooking those up too. So I'm gonna run this one aside instead of sitting it on this and messing it up this time. So I'm gonna get everything aside, grab the camera. Next thing you'll see is me slicing it up for you. There it is. Yep. Beautimous. Alright, well, Blackstone pizza. Second time the charm. I did get her done. You saw the bottom. It looks great. Tops, cheese is melted. All the toppings are done. We've successfully done this 4.5 times. I messed up this earlier one. I'll show you. That's what happens when you set it on a real hot Blackstone. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys try out pizza on the Blackstone. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Till next time, happy camping.